Taliban people don't go capture and kill one Afghanistan comedian where this guy named Nazar Mohammed. We gotta say now, so this guy they mostly make fun of this Taliban group. I no know what this guy can't go talk again now. Where make them these people can't decide say they won't capture him. But as the matter be not knowing say this guy they get plans for this man. Before we go see, they don't cut out the throat of this man. Can't abandon this man dead. Because as they see this man now gunshot wound, now they see for him body. Can't go dump him for one place on my people beg. Make now follow me see.
Хаша чире чингле. Хаша. Чире у него є. Ну по курки це кон. Названа.
Ну ахтар ну фалаху ну тор наган ла бретуна пеконе ки прате огорзет.
Чапса? Дауса. Сочак я че? Песа.
Хабеса.
Песа шерба шерба вазара да.
Везали да се пренер ди да хабес.
Рак аз мустафак.
واخي دا
انا وقتيش راش مجرى في سراي
Da tight kana.
Wow! Now so then these people wicked rich. Because I know even famous now say person they joke. Anyways, as they dey inside this car with this guy, they even laugh about the whole thing. I be another matter dey inside this whole killing of this guy. But anyway, as the matter be now there they investigate this whole matter. Because from the start, now there the Taliban head they talk say these people will go capture this man. Say they don't even know, say they know they part of the Taliban group. But now they can't confirm and say these guys they are among them. And say the main reason why make they kill this guy now because of say waiting. Say this guy they among I mean they involved with all those police where they torture people the time where these Kabul people they reign. I mean they serve. Now I would even talk am. They rule. But I beg I won't go ask. What be in working they do? If the person they work with police, it means that they appoint them to do them. So me I don't see any reason why on a those they take harsh decision to go they kill person. Say now I won't go kill person say because of say the person they talk bad about on her. So on I know how many people they don't talk bad about president. Why be say president no go even do anything about the person. This one are just more insult. We prepare on our body and I can't decide to kill this person. We never finish this matter. Taliban again, this same group. Come gather themselves. We hear say they rape and kill dead body. I could even talk am. They rape dead body. Hey! This one's not be abomination. How person go kill person don't die finish. Now can't climb on top of this person. They sleep with the person again. And person where they confirm this one, a person will be say she don't work as Afghanistan police. She don't follow them work before she go run comot. Because say waiting, these people they try tackle her life. Because say she don't work with government, they don't see her as threat. And anything they go use and kill her. Because of this one, now waiting can make her come outside. They talk say, now waiting then these Taliban people they do for you. My people beg, they can follow me watch.
आपको अपना एक्सपीरियंस बताती हूँ कि जब हम वहाँ पे थे हमारे लिए बहुत वार्निंग आते थे कि आप अगर कहाँ पे जाए आपके फैमिली खतरे में है आप लोग खतरे में हैं लेकिन वार्निंग के बाद एक बार वार्निंग दिया और उसके बाद वार्निंग भी नहीं देते थे.
Now wow, I don't even know what I want to talk about this whole matter again. Because this lady they claim say if they come they raid, say that they find women where they go use as slave. If they like you fine they go rape you or they keep you. But you where they don't like they go rape you, kill you. In fact even if you don't die they go still they rape you. I beg on sure say then these people they no be bunch of beasts. Because how person go gather morale, they sleep with their body. That one to me I don't know be I don't know what I go even call her. Because that one na sin. I mean na pure taboo. Because how people in their right senses go they do this kind of thing. But I beg I get question for this Taliban. I beg why on they always carry gun? What if be on a real motive? If na one rule in peace, keep on a gun down, make na rule these people normally. Which one be on a go carry gun? They act anyhow. But anyway, I hope so a leader will come as I can do something about this whole thing. Because the way when they go about them, sooner or later, this country people go come as I can they tackle on now. Because the way when they rule, it don't even make sense at all. The way when they carry all these harsh diseases, it no good. Especially on top of the women and citizens of the place. So I beg, make I find something to do about this matter. Make I resolve and now before this thing will go come out of hand. Anyway, my people now here I go end this matter. If you not get anything to talk about them, make I write them inside the comment section. Make I stay tuned for the next video.